Hi guys, I'm back. And I'm very excited because the new movie has been released in 2015. And the movie is called Barbie and Princess Power. Here I got the doll. And also we're going to be unfolding the DVD. I haven't seen all of the film yet. I've only seen the first verse. So I can't wait to see the next. Beautiful. And now this is the doll that we're going to open. On the back, the features are lovely. Got some pictures of her. Then we have the doll and she is soaring through the air. Okay, now I'm super excited to open this up, so we're going to open it. This may be a bit too hard to open at home. This is how I opened up my Courtney doll. And you need to be very careful when opening this up because the features here might break. And I'm just ripping the whole box apart. Okay, I'm just going to show you the front of the box for the minute before I even tear the doll apart. So, just take a look at this picture of a minute. Okay, I just gave you a close up at that photo because maybe you couldn't see it properly because of the lights. And on the way, I went to go and fetch some scissors. And the last thing that I need to do now is just to do this to her hair. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now I'll open the head by the scissors. Okay, I managed to get the doll out of the box. And here she is. She's the most prettiest doll ever. love this hair. And I'm just going to get her cape out as well. And I'm going to read out the instructions for you guys. I'm not going to read it all out, but I'm just going to have a look at it myself. Oh, so we're going to, here at the back, we've got this where we can attach her cape. I'm going to do that now. Where? Okay, so the cape won't go on at the moment, so basically what you're meant to do is you're meant to clip it, it'll be like this, and then it's like this, and then when you press her diamond, it will begin to be a pretty princess. Okay, now I'm going to give you a closer look at this doll. Shoes are very pretty there, like got pink tights, skirts are beautiful. It's leather, pink leather, and diamonds.